On the starboard side, Sardinia. And here's the narrowest strait between Sardinia and Corsica. On the port side, Corsica. It's time to change the courtesy flag. The Italian one's been up there quite a while. So we're back in France. It's Corsica, just over there. Well, Corsica. I think these islands, Corsica, Sardinia, really are jewels in the Mediterranean. Obviously there's some great stuff in the Eastern Med, but these are as good as anything, and they're truly beautiful. The water is wonderful colour. Well, it's a glorious, if slightly breezy and jolly hot afternoon here, anchored in Corsica, because the wind's coming off the land now. It's nice and still, the water's nice and flat, so there's no issue there. Anchor's holding well, people enjoying the beach, breezy beach day. Boats that were anchored in this little corner of the anchorage have all left, so I've got it to myself again, which is very lovely. You can hear the cicadas chirping away as they always are. Boats out there in the distance sailing.
So I am underway again. This time I am headed to meet Dad in the southern tip of Corsica. I've sailed a bit further north just to meet up with some friends, so I've got about 41 miles ahead of me today. But I got up nice and early, which is a bit of a thing for me because we had a beach party last night. But I'm underway, everything's fine. It's 7:30, I think, and yeah, I think I'll have to motor for the first bit, but according to the forecast, around noon or 1 o'clock, so the wind should set in. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll have a really good downwind sail. So yeah, it's kind of sad. It's sad to leave friends, and it's sad to leave this place because it was lovely. Let me just show you the view. But yeah, it's mainly sad to meet friends. The sailing life kind of offers you like a really close friendship, like you get to know each other really quickly, you have a common interest, so that's always lovely, but then at some point you have to say goodbye because you're heading in different directions and it can be very sad. But yeah, anyway, today I'm heading south to meet my dad and we'll have a little reunion of our own. So it's 11 o'clock and I'm sailing. Not particularly quickly, but sailing nonetheless. It's like 3 knots. So I'm not unhappy with that. And if the forecast is correct, it should pick up a little bit over the afternoon. Yeah, I'm just happy to have the engine off. Sitting here in this beautiful quiet. We've got a guy speeding past me now. That should be really fun in the wake, but hey. Seems to be a bit of fog up ahead. I'm kind of hopeful that that'll clear up before I get there. But other than that, all is well. Yep, we'll enjoy the day. Look at that giant. Little old Lana's nothing compared to that. But also she's everything. That is massive. And what do you do to entertain yourself? I am marinating some aubergine now to have the barbecue that Dad and I have planned when I arrive. So these are my marinating ingredients: olive oil, soy sauce, pepper, salt, sriracha. And these are my aubergines. There's the entrance to Tapatya that I'm going past. It's quite a busy place. You can't even see the town. It goes up really deep down in there. And that's where the town is. But yeah, like I said, it's a busy place. I'm gonna go around this here headland and up north.
It's just come around the corner. It's a very small boat with 2 masts.
I am 0.3 miles away from the anchorage. I just took down my sails and I can see Tapatya. Wait, watch out for wind noises, but can you see it? It's like a little speck on the beach there. Like I said, 0.3 miles away still, but very, very close. Woo.
How was the trip?
It was good. It was good.
Yeah.
Motoring at the start, but sailing
Yeah.
from like halfway, I would say.
Yeah. Cool.
It's nice.
Nice to see the 2 boats back together. Cool. All right. Time for an anchor beer, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, French beer as well. 1664. I'm about to set foot on Corsica. I haven't been sure yet.
Exciting.
Yes, indeed. It's kind of like a new country, except it sort of isn't.
It's still France, but,
Yeah. In French Polynesia, it's still France, isn't it?
technically,
It is France.
Yeah.
But I would still see that as a new country.
Me too. Me too. You can just jump out.
Got a hose.
Emma, I've got it. Ooh.
I'm ashore.
Welcome to Corsica. Oh, I didn't even know. Look at this lagoon behind us here.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a thistle, alright. That's probably sea holly.
We've been watching a lot of time thing recently.
Oh yeah.
It's a roof tile. Isn't that beautiful?
What do you think? What era is this from?
I don't know. I think it could be Roman. Is it salted?
Good taste test. Yeah.
Less salty.
Yeah.
But yes, slightly. That's a big
Wow,
old crab.
that is a big one. Hello, sir. Or madam.
It's a while since I've seen a crab that big.
Yeah. I had a
Certainly in
dead
the
crab in my boat the other day. Did I tell you about that?
Yeah, I think I dropped that.
Oh, it's crazy.
Ones on the shore are rarely that big, are they?
That was really big, actually.
Little wee fish.
Yeah, I see that. And it's got funny little hind legs. I don't know if I've seen that. Oh, all crabs have those kind of
Well,
legs.
not those ones that are quite that flat, like runner beans.
Yeah. Watch out that you don't get pinched.
Mm. Keep my eyes open.
He's waving at you.
Yeah.
Go away, go away. You took your phone out of your pocket in case. Is it getting shallower?
No.
Oh, alright. Oh yeah, I see that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
That's a deep bit. These rocks. It's lovely, isn't it? Quite a flow on it. Eh?
Yeah, it's quite a
I don't know if it's coming down from the hills or I've got to go and see where the source of that flow is, I think.
Get around.
There's the entrance from the sea. I just listen to the cicadas. That's Hazel wading through the water, of course. Cicadas. Isn't that incredible? What a beautiful anchorage. Beautiful anchorage.
Oh wow, that's so deep. I don't know if I can cross that without getting my shorts wet. Okay, here we go. I'm going on my tippy toes.
Excellent, eh? What a beautiful boat, eh? We saw when we were in Ibiza, Mallorca, I think, we saw a Herreshoff 30 something, and it was so similar to Alania Wally, wasn't it? Do you remember?
It was, yeah. I thought it was a Freedom.
Me too. And beautiful, beautiful lines, that Freedom 30. I love it.